Is my screen visible, sir?
Yeah, screen is visible.
Okay, sir. So I'm now presenting the program, which is the occurrence of the letters in a word. So here I didn't take all the letters. I just I got a string from the user, and after that I also got the letter which should for which we should know its occurrence, and I would run it in a for loop, sir. If the character is equals not, then the count will be get incremented, so we can print the which letter is and what is its count. So I'm running the program. So I'm entering a string. So I'm okay. I'll be giving the letter E. So the count of letter E is 2, sir.
Okay, good. Can you give another letter? Let's say how many times. Okay, you have given like. Try with another example so that people can understand.
Okay, so can you give me any input?
Yeah, try with QS circle itself. So it's with Q or A.
Okay. Okay, circle. That's it, sir.
Yeah, that's it.
And which letter, sir?
Try with Q.
Q. So it's once.
Good, good. Okay. So guys, understood the program? Send it out you guys have. Okay, you add the program in the chat, Dharni, so that people can see.
Yes, sir. So I have another doubt.
Yeah, sure. Go on.
Yes. So like
Okay.
to insert that special character from the after three letters, I tried that code,
Okay.
and what I did is like I got the string. I myself gave the string, and after that I tried to run it in the for loop, like keeping the length as 3 and iterating it with 3. And here actually I insert. Actually, insert was not working in string, so I used a string builder there. But even though if I used a string builder, I'm not able to print the result here. So I don't know what did I do. So
So you did string builder. So okay, you're not getting the result for this.
yes, sir. Actually, I gave it
Okay.
like this. So now when I try to like print this str2, it's showing me errors.
So SB itself is string, right? But why do you want?
I was trying to change the program. So
Oh, so okay, apart from you, so no one else has got it, is it? So you guys want to explain the program? I can explain. So for, out of four programs, only one is done, is it? So anyone else has done it, guys? Is it that tough?
Sir, I have also done the same program, sir. Like
So
occurrence one, I didn't get a logic,
okay,
and
occurrence, I think Dharni has done. So any other? So anyone else that you have done?
inserting special one, like I tried, sir. Special characters.
Okay, please share the screen. Cool. Screen is visible. Good.
Yes, let me run. Yes, like three characters and then two special characters. Like I
Okay.
tried.
So yeah, sure. Explain the program for the people to understand, please.
Yes, sir. So basically, like I have taken a string as ABC, 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 and using a string builder method, like I'm passing this variable like a string, and using a for loop, like like the special character needs to be start from third, right? Like after third. So I am giving I value as a 3. So it will take up to the length of the variable that we are passing, sorry, string builder one. And then like I have given plus 5 to this because like two characters I am adding it, right? So after 3, like two position will be added. uh 1 second, sir, like I think I have missed something. So yeah, inserting like after 3 ABC, after that I am inserting these two characters, right? So I have used like the method insert one. Like if we want, like we can try for other one also, like instead of ABC can try it like after three like characters, like two special characters it's adding.
Okay, try with another example. I think you have given not dynamic, right? That's totally fine.
This one
Okay.
AB CD ABC.
Okay. So that's it. Only two programs.
Yes sir, like I was a bit busy today, so only two I was done. And count like occurrence one I didn't get like properly.
You didn't get the occurrence one.
Yeah, cause
I think just you have joined a little while ago. Okay, I'll explain the occurrence if you want.
okay, sir.
That Dhani has already explained it, but yeah, just give you the logic. Okay.
Okay,
Let me
sir.
share the screen and I'll explain the two other programs. Then we'll start. Okay.
Sure, sir. Sure.
So let me share the screen. So let me know if my screen is visible.
Yes.
Okay. So this is like same program what Dharni has explained. See, we are entering a string. So the logic is simple. So while running, I'll explain. Okay. The first value starts here when we say enter the string value to enter. For example, if I run this program, let's say I'm running test, right? It will ask the second one, enter the character to search. Let's say if I put T here, so I'm giving a string to as a scan one, like I'm asking as an input the string one. But I'm just giving one value to search, right? So I have to put a character array to find out, to convert the string to character. Else,
Sure.
string to string dot equal, if you give one letter, it's not working, okay? So taken a counter to 0, and I have put a loop where, since we are entering only the one letter here, T, so it will take to array, it will become 0, 1, 2, 3. The length of this char array will be 4. This will be the 0th index. That's why I've given char to find 0 should be equal to entered value of character 5. So character 5 will be, character of 0 will be the T, character of 1 will be E, character of 2 will be S, character of 3 will be T. Okay. So whenever it finds the T value, and again you have to see here we have given double equal to, not given dot equals. So dot equals compares the string value. Okay, not the character. So character is a primitive data type. That's why we gave double equal to. Since we are comparing the char value, doesn't matter the memory addresses. That is totally fine. You can give double equal to, and we are giving the counter value as plus plus. If I just click on enter, the entered value test occurrence of T is 2 times. You tell me one value, Rajesh.
India, sir. India.
Hmm. Let's say India. Just I'll give India. So what do you want me to search? Which value?
D.
D. Okay. So D occurrence should be one time. Okay. Understood? I
Yes,
think
sir.
Dharni has had the program. It's same program what she has explained. Okay.
Okay, sir. Got it.
Okay. So I'll share you the today's class. Okay. Just write it down. Then we'll see the today's class. Today's class is similar. What you have seen static methods, non-static methods. But write down the notes. Okay. Once you write down the notes, I'll explain the other two programs. I think two you have guys have done. Other one was, I think, first letter to uppercase and lowercase, uppercase. Let's say good morning to capital G M. And the other one, right? You guys have not done. Let me explain that. These are all important interview questions. Okay. Give me a second. I'll share the screen. I'll stop presenting here. So let me know when you can see the screen.
So we can see the screen.
Okay, good. 1 second. Let me put. Okay, you let me know once you have done. Okay. Done, guys.
Done, sir.
Correct this.
Done, sir.
Don't at example 2. Start with method overloading.
So done, sir.
Write this program.
Done, sir.
1 minute, sir. 1 minute. Done. Can I go down? Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Just write the static method. Just write this. I think I will expand a little more. This one, example of static method. Let me know when you're done.
Done, sir.
Okay. Just write this table. Done?
Yes, sir.
Just write this call by value versus call by reference. Just write Java uses call by value methods. Take a minute and write it down. Okay,
Done, sir.
let me go. Good. Now, write this call by value. Still copying?
Done, sir.
Write call by reference also till the Java pass object by reference. Done?
Done, sir.
Let's write this one program. Then we can go back to a screen.
Sir, can you go little bit up? One point is one.
That's
Okay. Okay. If you have done till now, that's totally fine. Let us see the programs. If you have the doubts and all, we can ask. And also, we'll cover this concept today and also string methods. Okay. Stop the share. Let me share my other screen. Let me know if it is visible. Okay.
visible.
Okay. Awesome. So there were two programs, right? Longest word and first letter capital. So this was an assignment. I think guys have confusion with. Okay. Let me not use scanner. Let me use very simple things to explain to you guys. It's very simple. After seeing the program, you guys will understand what this is a very easy word and all. Okay. Let's take string. So okay, let's go to first longest word. Then we'll come to first letter capital. String str equal to, let me write this is class. This is a class, something like that. Okay. But just seeing visibly, which one is the longest word in this
Class.
class, right? So now I have to make sure the program understands class. Okay. Just looking at by this example, which method do you think we can use just by looking at this?
Split.
Split? Awesome. That's what I was explaining. Thanks, yeah. Reshma, is it?
No,
Yes.
that me.
Okay, that's me. So let me take string array. String array. So let's take str2, something like that. And let's put str dot, just put split and split of str. What do you write inside? By what we have to split here?
Space.
Space. Awesome. Now, if you split by space, it will create an array. How many values will be created?
4.
4.
4, right? To just watch that, just I'll put str2 dot length. Length is a variable or a method here. This one. Method will come like this. Variable will have brackets.
Without
Okay. So if I run, sorry.
Length is a variable here.
Yeah, variable. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So see, we got 4. That is, this is a class. Now, from this, you're understanding the logic where I'm going. Can I get length of each and everything?
Yes, sir.
And just compare which one is bigger. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, as simple logic as that. I'll take one simple variable. I'll just define it as max or longest word, something like that. So I'm using a camel case here. So longest word I'm just giving as 0. Okay, just taking integer value, longest word as 0. Now, if we can use for loop for the arrays.
Yes.
And index starts with
0.
0.
0. Good. So what is the array here? str2 dot length. We have to do this one, right? I less than. Okay, good. I plus plus. And if you're splitting each and everything is a string, how will we get a length of a string? Just type this out. Okay, str2 of I dot length will get the length, right?
Yes, sir.
So This is an array. Every array has a string value, right? This is a class. Right? If I run this, 4, 2, 1, 5, correct?
Right.
Yes, sir.
Now, so instead of typing this, I'll put something here. Just I'll write some if condition where I want to see if this length is greater than max. The longest value or maximum value or the longest word which I've taken, right? Let's say I'll just copy this. I'll paste it here. I'll just go upon right close bracket. Then if it is the longest, then I'll put the longest word is this value. Okay. If you want the length, we'll put the length. If you just want the value, we'll put this value. Okay. But if you want to put this value, it should be a string. Okay. Okay. Let's see. One more variable will take. Okay. The longest word or maybe longest length I'll put here. Just to make proper sense. Okay. LENGTH. The longest length. And then we'll take a string value. String longest word, something like that. Guys, understanding?
Yes, sir.
If you're not understanding, let me know, guys. Then longest word would be what? What is the longest word?
STR2 of I.
STR2 of 5. Understood? No. Only if this condition accepts. I want to sys out where I can put after the loop, before the loop, end of the loop, after the end of the loop.
Outside.
Okay, sure. We'll put here. We'll say so str2 of 5. Instead of 5, we have to put longest word. Okay. So this is the longest word with longest length. Understood? Shall I run it?
Yes, sir.
So this is the longest word is class with 5 as a length. Okay, I can mention that also. With 5 maybe characters I can put. Okay. This is the longest word with 5 characters. Now, if I run it, this is the longest word with 5 characters. Any doubts in this program? Understood?
Sir, once
I'll
again.
put it down. Huh?
Sir, please repeat if conditions at 11th line.
Okay. Now let's go a little basic. Okay. What is str2 of 5 dot length? What is its length?
4.
4. 4. Now 4 greater than 0. What is the longest length value? 0.
Yes.
Now here what we're doing, the longest length will be 4 and the longest value will be this in the first iteration. Now let's go to next iteration. What is the value here? 2. Okay. Is 2 greater than 4?
No, sir.
Is 2 greater than 4?
False.
What? Why I'm getting that? Okay, sorry. 2 greater than 4? No, right? So it will not enter the condition itself. Now next iteration. What is there? A. Is 1 greater than 4?
False.
False. Now what is the last one? 5. Is 5 greater than 4?
True.
True. Okay. Now the longest length will be 5. Right? Because it is str2 of 4 of length. And the longest word will be class. So whatever this 4 was there, it will be replaced by 5 and class. Okay? Okay,
Yes.
Tell me one example. We'll see. Tell me one sentence. We'll see. Make sure all are different. If everything is same word, then whatever is in the last will get, or whatever in the first will get. Tell me one sentence for the folks to understand. Any sentence, simple sentence. Let's say your name only, okay? Not name. So okay, Yash, I'm just writing Yashwant name. Okay, Yashwant, I'm just using a name. So any spelling mistake, please forgive me. Okay, Yashwant HN. Okay, now same thing. This is the longest word now. Same loop runs. Okay, this is longest word with 10 characters. Okay, so Rajesh Hebbar is there. This is where our logic might fail. Okay, or it might pass also. Doesn't matter. That's the way you looked into it. Okay, now tell me. Rajesh is how many characters? 6.
6.
Hebba is how many characters? 6. Now, you tell me which one will print based on this
I
logic.
think Rajesh will print it. First is there now.
Rajesh only will print, right? See? Rajesh only will print. The second one, what will become? 6 greater than 6? No, it will false. So it will not print. Whatever the value will be there, it will print that only. But you see the logic, it is the highest word. This is also highest. There is no literally highest, but there are only 6 characters. Only at this position, there is no longest word. One more condition we have to add, but this is an exceptional case. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Maybe I can use so Reshma. I'll take see Reshma. Reshma Jos is there. I don't know how to pronounce your name. If I'm pronouncing it wrong, forgive me. I think Reshma Josh. So which one will be the largest word? Reshma? Good? Okay. Understood the program? Any doubts?
Sir, can you try Ebbar after Rajesh? Yeah, before Rajesh, Ebbar Rajesh.
So Hebbar only will come, right? What is the first value? It will take Hebbar only.
Okay.
Raj, it will not take. Only at this position, this logic will fail, but there is no longest word here. Even the string, what we have given, doesn't make sense. Okay. In this, it makes sense. The Reshma Josh is there. This 4 characters is 6 characters, right? So this is where it will pass. Okay. Any other doubts? Are we good?
Yes, sir.
I'll add this program. Take this program. Okay. So guys, please do practice what are the programs I gave. They are very, very, very important for the interview point of view. Just you have to understand by the logic. Okay. Just any simple logic doesn't matter.
Sir,
Okay. No.
one confusion, sir. Sir, in between, in string, like if you enter like numbers, like Reshma, like space, and like if you enter number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that is the longest, and then followed by like it will take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah, it will take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Since it's a string, it will consider it as a string only.
Okay.
Okay. Anything. So if you want like this, let's see. It will take Reshma only. It will not throw an exception because it's a string array. This will be one string, second string, third string.
Okay, sir.
Even though it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it will consider as a string value. Okay.
Yes, got it.
Okay. So let's go to first letter capital. Now, tell me the logic what I gave. It is, let's say, good morning, right? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Now, I want good morning. Sorry, I want good morning. What is the first thing you are noticing here? In good morning, good morning.
Space.
Space is there. If we split by space, can we have 2 variables?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, let's see. So I'll go to same logic. I'll go to till this point. So, wait, space. Now instead of Reshma, we'll put good morning. This is what our product was. So str, str2, str split of good morning. Now same we can take a loop. Same loop we can take. Here we will not have longest, no need for the any of those things. Okay. Now here we'll do one interesting thing. You remember the char array we saw just a while ago? Okay, let me remove this. You saw the char array, this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So since it is good morning, since we know the length is 2, okay, can we put two char arrays? So instead of let's say char 1 or char 2, instead of str dot array, so this will become, sorry, only one array will take, one thing will take, str2. So str2 itself is an array. So this one we will pass where here, right? str2 of I, 2 char array, understanding?
Yes, sir.
So this one will become, good will become G, like this. It will be 4 characters, G O O D. Right? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. Now think what we can do now. So let me take one flag variable. Let me take Boolean flag equal to 0, something like that. Oh, sorry, not 0, false. So okay, let us put false inside the loop itself. Okay, let us put here inside the loop itself. If flag, okay, let us put true. Okay, if flag means it will enter the condition or not, right?
Yes.
It will go inside.
Right.
Not getting.
If flag is true, it will enter, sir.
It will enter, right? No, okay. So I'm just thinking, okay. So I want the first letter to be uppercase. So if I can just take one string value, and string final result, something like that, equal to, if I take null, okay. So put flag equal true. So if I put final result dot, so there is no append here, okay. So string buffer, string buffer. I can put concat also, right? Okay, let's put concat. So final result equal to final result dot concat of, now. So char1 is an array, right? So char1 of I dot, char1 is an array. So concat, okay, what does concat take? Concat takes a string value. You want a character value. But append will take a character, right? Okay, let's take append. Append takes a character value. See here. Okay. So char of char1 of 0 dot to uppercase. Can we have to uppercase? Can we have uppercase here? So append doesn't have an uppercase. Char array. Okay. Maybe you can try some other things. Okay. Maybe we'll say take a wrapper class. Character dot to uppercase. To uppercase of char1 of 0. Will it throw any value? Wait. So change type of final result to char. Okay, chalo, final result to char. So no problem. Can we have append? Okay. If we just queue like this, no problem, right? Okay. So final result we got. Now, what if I put flag equal to false here? Flag equal to false. Now else condition. So I want to append the rest of the things. So final result. Okay. Okay, can we take another string buffer? So maybe let's say res equal to new string buffer. So maybe res equal to res dot append arrays.append of final result. Result. The second right character. Wait, what is the issue here? Change the lowercase of K. Okay, like this. Okay. Can we take this only here instead of final result? Res is equal res.append. So instead of final result, we can directly put character lowercase. Okay. But let's see, I'm just skeptical what will be the result. So res. We got the GM, which we wanted, the capitals, the uppercase.
Yes, sir.
But if you want good morning, the entire thing, it will be different logic. All at 10:45 or at least you got this one till this point. Let me remove this point. Okay. Any doubts till this point?
Explain it, sir, once again.
Okay, chalo, I'll explain. So see, I'm taking good, I'm taking morning here, right? I'm splitting into a string array. String array is str2, right? So string array of I will be that. Okay, there should be another loop from character. Okay, that is what it is happening. Okay, chalo. Maybe if I write another loop, which is of the character here, for of j, j equal to one dot length. I don't know whether this will work. Let's see.
Sir, j is equals to 0 and I greater than char 1, sir. J. Second for loop, it should be j, sir.
J, okay. Let's see, it will work. See, it worked. So this is what I was missing. See, so we are creating one loop here, okay, which is a for loop of I. I is nothing but this one, guys. 0, 1, good and morning. Okay. For each good and morning, we are creating a char array. So it will be either God or next loop it will be MORNING. Okay. Is this one good?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm initially giving Boolean flag as true, just to make sure we'll get the result. Okay. So whenever you have a first value, I'm just using append. See, because string buffer has an append methodology. Character is another wrapper class. Okay, remember integer. See, it's a class which implements an interface of this java.io serializable. It's a wrapper class. Just remember wrapper class just integer and the capital I integer, like that. You remember the parseInt we used to do? Integer dot parseInt,
Yes, sir.
right? Like that's a wrapper class. Okay. Wrapper class can have two uppercase because it's a class. Again, wrapper class. It can have two uppercase of any value. When you put two uppercase, it actually can take character value. Okay. If you can see, there are many methods for a character. For example, dot C. Many methods are there. See, these are all methods, compare, a digit, for etc. So you just have to understand how we can convert a character to an uppercase, just a character. Now I'm putting character of 0, I'm giving flag as false. So next time when the loop runs, it will check this one. Since the flag is false, it will go to else value. Else append everything which is in the character of J. Okay, J value will become 1, 2, 3, 4. Next value become morning. So now it will already append. It will already append it good. Next I value become 2. Then this one become morning. Then J value will start. RAS equal to RAS dot append. Only the first character of this one is M. So M will become capital. Then it will others will become lower. Understood? Not understood? Still confusion?
Yes, sir. Like
Okay, which line confusion?
14th, sir. Like
14th
after
line.
Boolean. Yeah.
Okay, so this one actually works for character array. Okay, this character array, let's take for good. We'll take good. Okay, so since we gave only good morning, this is the first string value, this second string value. This character array, char1 of 0 is G, char1 of 1 is 0, O. It is like this, char of 0, char1 of 0. Okay, what is char1 of 3 here?
D.
D, right? Understood? Now, since I know good morning first letter will be the capital letter, I'm running this loop. I'm just giving a Boolean values to initial itself, first itself. So if flag means if true, then it will run go inside the condition.
Yes.
So I want only this one to be uppercase. If you are searching for from string value, string only one digit cannot be uppercase. It will be the entire number itself. And then it will become capital God. Okay. I just want this value. That's why I took a character array. That's why we are running for character array. Then we gave character 0 only. You put uppercase. That's it. Then I only intentionally gave flag equal false because when they run this loop again and again, it will go to the else part only. Else part do everything, every other character apart from the first character, put a capital letter.
Yes.
Understood?
Yes.
Then I will become 2, I will become 1. Then another character array will be created, which is morning. MORNING. So this is another character array. Again, it will be with spaces, guys. What is now? You tell me what is char 1 of 4? Which one is char 1 of 4?
I.
I, right? This char 1 of 0, now this char 1 of 4, char 1 of 5, char 1 of 6. Okay? From 0 to 6. Total length is 7. So again, I'm using the same logic. Char 1 should be M. You understand one thing. When you do append, what will happen? This one, all these things will be stored in the RES variable only. It will be remembered. Okay. So already RES had good. Then M will start. Good M will start. Then else part will only execute good morning. Okay. Okay. We saw good morning. Now I will give any example. So Shailu Gowda is there. Okay. Shailu Gowda. No. It should be S should be capital, G should be capital. Right? We got? Okay,
Yes.
you might think only two things will work. It is not like that. Do you have any three names here, people? Everyone has
Sir,
two names only.
if we want a space in between, sir, what we'll do?
Huh. If you want space in between, as soon as this loop ends, we have to add a space. Okay. So when this loop ends, after here, no. So this loop ends. Okay. Okay. So then res equal to res dot append of space. This should hopefully work. I haven't tried. Okay. So Shailu Gowda, same thing with Reshma. So Reshma, someone came. Huh? Okay. So Reshma Jose, something like that. So I put. So we came, guys. Any other doubts?
No, so 3 letters, like 3 words.
Yeah. Okay. So sorry, Reshma, I'm just adding Khan to your name. You're not, I know. Just adding Khan to your name. Okay. Let's see whether it will work. Reshma Jose Khan. Good.
Yes, sir.
Good. Any other doubts, guys? Okay. Only this program itself became till 11 o'clock. No problem. I'll take 10 more minutes extra, okay? To explain the today's concept. Good? Are we good to this program? Shall I add this program?
Yes.
Understood the logic? Guys, same thing. This and all I have taught you, right? Split I have taught you. String buffer I have taught you. You have seen the for loop. Only thing that was new was character array, which also we saw in the occurrence of an element, occurrence of word. Except this, right? Everything is similar only. You know uppercase. Only thing you have to Google or remember, if you want to do only first word capital, what to do. So this concept and this one, just two characters. Only these two are new. Apart from that, I have thought append also you for you guys. Everything I have thought, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And see, this one will come Reshma space, Joseph space, Khan space, space, right? At the end, if you want more, no, just put dot trim. This also, okay, trim to size. I don't know whether it will, okay. So println will not, so okay, print only should come. Okay, chalo. Print also will not work. Okay, if this was a string, there should be a trim, but still not an issue. We can take this as string and we can trim it, not an issue. Okay. So, okay, I'm just giving this program in the chat. Okay, copy it. Let me know when you are done copying. Okay. So yesterday, I think there was one issue. So as soon as I gave, I closed the call. People were not able to copy. Okay, copy the program, guys. Now we'll start today's thing. It's very easy. Few things I'll explain. I'll just take 20 more minutes, then we can close. Okay. So now, first one we'll see is method overloading. Okay, what exactly is a method? What exactly is a overloading? Okay, method overloading, method overriding. It is very simple concept. Okay, and here I'll give you programs tomorrow morning or today night. Please, when you come on Monday, right? Please do that. Okay. See, today I explained 3 programs. That's why it became lengthier, right? Else I would have closed before 11 itself. If you guys can do the program, it will be really, really helpful. Okay. Now, what do you mean by method overloading? Now, let's take a method. Let's say public void. Let's say cricket, something like that. Okay. One method I'm taking. And I want to run. So there was a match between India and South Africa today. South Africa. What is going on? Which match is going on?
Yes, sir. South Africa, India.
South Africa only, right? Let's say South Africa, India only. I'm putting, okay. So public void, I'm just want total runs. So I put total runs. Okay. This is my first method. Now, can I write public void cricket only? Same method. Instead of total runs, I'll put string. See, instead of total runs, did we have man of the match or only first innings is over, right?
Yes, sir. Day 2.
You're two. Okay. Let's say I'm just writing man of the match. Okay. Same method. Okay. It's same method. See, cricket, same method. Now, I'm just writing one more thing. So, best bowler, man of the match can be one only, right? Let's say string best bowler and string best batsman, something like that. See, same variable, right? This is a method. Now we are overloading with arguments. First, it was data type int. If you use the same data type, it will throw an error. Now, that's why we use string. If you use same string only once, it will throw an error. See, if I remove this, it is throwing an error or not? What is the error? Rename the other method. So, what we are doing, this is called overloading. Now, if I want to, let's say, tell me, doubt? Somebody has doubt? Nobody has doubt? Oh, good, good. So let's say total runs, I think, I don't know how many total runs. Let's say some 500 total runs was there. Okay. And okay, sorry, already I gave an argument, right? So I'm just writing total runs. No, the same thing I'll write here. Since it's a void, do we need a return type?
No.
Is it mandatory?
No, sir.
All right. See, it's a simple void. Now, I'll just go here. I'll just put man of the match. I'll just go here. Same thing. Okay. Sorry, let me copy this. So let me add this. Okay. Best bowler. So best batsman. So this is overriding. So in cricket, not only total runs will be there, right? They can have man of the match, they can have best bowler, best batsman, right? Any number of things will be there. But method is only cricket only. There is nothing like only total runs will be there in cricket, and man of the match will be there in football, and best bowler, best batsman will be there in baseball. So this is one of the reasons which we do overloading. So this is called method overloading. Very simple terms. I'm just seeing the grace of the time. See the notes, okay? Follow the notes. If you need more explanation, please ping me personally, okay? I think people have reached out to me. If you have any doubts, please reach out to me, okay? I'll help you manage your doubt. If I don't get right, no issues. I'll try to learn it. I'll try to put to you, okay? Method overloading equal to new method overloading. Now, how do I call this method? mo dot. You see, cricket is there. If I put 1000, if I want to print the result? What I have to do? This out. That's it. Understood? Okay. Okay. Already print is there.
Already printed.
Already print is there. See, that's what I was expecting. Nice. Guys, be alert. Okay, if I'm doing wrong, let me know. If I put dot cricket, man of the match, who you want to be man of the match?
Bumrah.
Bumrah you want? Okay. Bumrah, let's say Bumrah is our man of the match. Okay. Now, mo dot cricket. Who is the best bowler and best batsman?
Best bowler is Bumrah only, sir. Correct.
Bumrah only. Okay. Nobody fans of Jadeja, is it? Okay. Best batsman. Who batted well?
Rahul.
Rahul, Rahul. Okay, Rahul, right? Okay. Now if I just print this, we got answers 1000 Bumrah, Rahul. Okay. Now, understood, guys? Simple method of method overloading. Any doubts here? Very simple concept, method overloading. Why we use? I also explain the same example. Okay. If let's say if I have animal as a method, animals can be mammals, animals can be hens, animals can be a number of things. So we'll use same animal method and we'll use arguments of different things. Okay. That is one of the many use cases of method overloading. Understood?
Yes.
No. No. Yes.
Yes.
Okay, good. Okay, calling methods. I think I've already told you how to call, right? This is the way to call a method. Just put method name after declaring a reference variable. We can have a method name. So these are the parameters. I think previous class I mentioned. No, this is the parameter int string. String is a parameter. If you want to have a return type, what do you have to do? String. Then you have to return this man of the match. Right? You have to return something. That to a string value. Understood? If it is void, no need for a return. Understood, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So method overloading finished. There are two things, call by value and call by reference. I think this also I have done, but let's see. I'll explain one example. Okay.
Sir, can we pass like inputs in that method only?
Which input?
Like runs, like we are entering in like mo.cricket 1000, right? Inside method.
Yeah. So you want to pass 1000 here? Yeah, we can do all the functions here. If we pass 1000 itself, then there is no purpose of passing this one, no. So we can do this one also. Okay. Let's say public void cricket. I want to put, don't want to enter anything. Cricket board. BCCI is our cricket board, right? That's it. See, no error. I can just call that also. mo dot capital cricket. Done.
Right.
So BCCI, Bumrah, 1000 Bumrah, Rahul. Good.
Yes.
So if we don't pass all the same method name, we can use. These are all overloading guys. Okay. So any other doubts? Say I can go a little deeper, but it's the same concept again. We can have n number of logic here. Every method we can add all the logics. Don't worry at all. We can easily do that. Okay. Then guys, shall we go to call by value and reference? Okay.
Yes,
So let me go to new class. See, call by. Is my screen visible? Okay.
Yes, sir.
yes.
When we're quite right, I think like my screen is not sharing properly. Okay. So call by value. Simple example take. Okay. Very simple example. If you remember, we did some value. Okay. Public void, not void, int add call by value. So int should have a return type. So this is not value, this is reference. Okay, let me call by value. So I will not take void. I will not take int. Let me put void. Let me pass a value, something like int x comma int y. Okay. So I'll just add here int x equal to 20, or maybe a equal to so if I want to call this add, let's say, okay, return all I'll put again. I'm only getting confused, right? So public int return x plus y. Okay. Now call by value, I have to pass these values, right? Directly, if I want to call by value, so cv equal to new call by value. Now cv dot add is there, no? Just give 20 comma 30. Okay. So since we are just returning, we can use this out here. Okay. So what will the value? 50?
50.
Okay. Now, what is a reference? Now, for reference, we can use this one. Int x equal to 30, int y equal to 20. Now, instead of 20, 30, we'll just put x, y. We are calling this memory reference. So this has different memory, this variable, okay? And this is just an argument. So, okay, since we are giving x and y only here, we'll pass a and b for you to understand properly. We are passing a and b here, and we are making sure this reference is nothing but this reference, this memory values. This is nothing but call by reference. This is this particular example, call by reference. Okay. Call by value, just we are passing the value here. Just we are giving value 20, 30. Okay. Reference, we are just giving A and B. Understood? Good. Any doubts? I think there are static methods. Sorry?
1 second, sir. 1 second.
1 second I have to tell. Okay. So nothing, there are two things. Okay? Call by value, call by reference. Okay. Call by value means calling a method by passing a value directly. Pass a value directly. Okay. In Java, you have to always understand, right? When you create a variable, it also has a memory. There is another memory location. If you direct pass a value, we're just passing a value of x and y. That's it. X and y. Okay. Now, if you're passing a variable, now this memory reference, we are getting to this memory reference. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. If you want to see the address, okay. Let's say int A, int B. Okay. This is little technical. Okay. Let's go. Let's see. Even I don't know. It might print, it might not print also. Let's see. So sys out okay, let me print this one first. Sys out A. If I put sys out A, okay, let us just pass 10, 20 also for the people to understand. There should be another memory location. Okay, there is an issue. What is this? So initializer should be there. Okay. So A dot will not work. Huh? So there was a method. System dot identify hash code. Identify hash code of A. This one should work, but let's see. Okay, let's see I equal to 10 and B equal to 20. I think now it should work. Okay. Now if I put like this, it should have a different memory location. See, the memory of this is different from this. Okay. Now if I put the same thing inside here, I hope it will work. This out will work here also. Okay. Of x and y. This should be different memory location. See, this is different. This is different. But we are passing by the value 10 and 20. Let us pass by A and B. That is the value, this is the reference. Now, let's see. This is a memory of this. This is a memory of X and Y. Okay. Since we passed as a reference of this memory, X and Y, a reference of this is passed. Indirectly, 10, 20. Now we'll get the value 30. Right? If we pass by 10, 20, we are not passing the reference of A and B. Directly we are passing. So even if you put this one to quotes, it doesn't matter. Okay. The memory we got and memory of X and Y, and this is the value we got. This is for understanding what is the reference, what is the value. Reference, we are passing the memory. This exact memory is passed to them. So A will become X. That's what we saw, no? Here, if we pass by A, whatever the value of A was there. So exactly X took it, and whatever the value of B, Y took it. See? Exact memory. Good, guys? Pass value, pass by reference? No? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. If not, please watch the recording, okay? That will, I think it will help you a lot. Did we miss any string variables, string methods yesterday? I think we missed a few. Okay, wait. So I think reverse we saw, delete we didn't see, right? Okay. Okay, guys, I'll take 10 more minutes. Okay, 11:25 we'll close the call. I just want to have few methods of string so that we'll understand it more, okay? Let's go to, okay, let's move this. Okay, let me go to string method. I think yesterday I would have added it here, I feel. String, yes. Okay. Here I added, right? We did everything. Okay. Let's take string. Did I add string buffer? Okay, let me add string buffer. Okay. I remember adding string builder. I added string builder, string buffer, similar concepts. Okay. All the distinct classes, as I think yesterday Dharni asked, all the distinct classes, okay, similar to string only. String is immutable. These are all mutable. When you say immutable, when a string is created, whatever it is, if we add anything to it, another object is created. But when you add string builder, string buffer, etc., and the same object will be appended. So that's why it's called mutability. Okay. Okay. Let's take s something 15. S15 equal to new string buffer. Off you want to take? What's the favorite actor again? Anyone?
Amitabh.
Amitabh Bachchan, okay? Amitabh. Now in this Amitabh, I want to delete AMI. I just want to put TAB, okay? There is a method called delete. Now, you just put sysout S15 dot. If you just put delete, see, there is a start point and there is an end point. Now, you have to again understand what is the start point, what is the end point. let me put start point of 1 and start point of 3. You have s15.delete. Okay, I have to run this particular thing. Run as the application. Atab came, right? But I need here to be removed. So shall I put 0 here since the start from 0? So tab came, right? So delete also, it's kind of an insert. If you remember insert, we took which place to insert a value. Delete directly takes 2 integer value. Okay. This is a position if you want. Okay. Any other name, if you put like, let's say big boss is going on, right? Just about big boss. Okay. Again, if I want to delete big boss, only big, I have to put 3 letters, 0, 1, 2. If I just run this, boss will be there. G boss. Okay. 0 to 3. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So boss, understood? Any doubts in this?
Sir, one confusion. Like arrays like start with like 0 or string like starts with 1, right?
Yes, string. Yeah, length starts with 1. For example, if I put s15.length, right? And if you add, if you see this, it should be how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. See, if I put this out of this, correct. See, these are another confusion which people usually get. Okay. See, if I run this, what is there before boss? 7, right?
7.
Is this point correct now? So, how do we calculate for insert and delete? Okay. This is a 1 value. This is 2 because we are having the length. Now, it comes as an index for delete. If you put it again here, sb.delete, sorry, s15, right?
Yes, 15.
s15.delete. See, it is again taking an index. You remember index? What is the index when we started? Index value of array is 0.
0.
The position of an array B is 1, but big boss is 7 letters. That is understandable. But when we go for this kind of deletes, insert, again it starts with 0. So that's how they have designed. Insert is also 0. So if you're still confused, trial and error, not an issue. What it will do? Nothing it will do. You'll get a wrong answer in the beginning, then you type it. So BB boss, which BB here? So this it didn't calculate, just give 0 here. Okay.
Okay,
So
sir.
there is another method called capacity. I think that's it. I think that's the last one thing. We can go. And there is something called replace. We have seen trim. Trim, I think we can show, I can show you trim. That's not an issue. You remember trim. Okay, and let me create one example. Okay. So just now we saw one example, right? Let's say S16 equal to, so Reshma Jose we saw, right? And we had space. That's what we got, right? If I want to trim this out, this I have to write S16. Only string has this trim wala. Buffer doesn't have this. See, it is taking a string class. Now, if I type this, it will not have space. See, no space. Okay. So trim is a function which trims space here and also space here. If Reshma has space here also, in the beginning Reshma name, it will trim that also. See,
Not in the middle one, sir.
not
Just
the middle,
uh,
not the middle, just the front and the back. For middle one, we can still do. We can split it and we can join by nothing. For example, we can split by space, then everything will be space, and we can join it. Tell me how to split it. S16. Sorry, again we have to take a string value. One more variable, S17 equal to
equals to S16 dot split.
dot split of
Split of
delimiters
delimiter space.
space. Okay. Now, how many array values will be created here? Again, this will be a string value.
2.
Okay. So, okay. For that, we have to see the length S17 dot length. Okay. So let's see the length here. Okay. So Reshma, we trimmed and it is the split S17. Okay, this is not the one which we want, right? Wait. So 3 is the length. So we trim this one, right? Then we come Reshma and S17 dot split by space. So only space was this. And we got 3. Okay, S16 will not store the trim. Okay, wait. So if the space is there, so Reshma is 1, the space is there, Jose is 1. Weird. So let me try to print it. If the length is 3, then it should be S17 sys out S17 of 2. If you put it to space, just say on it put. Okay. What is S17 of 0?
Space, I think.
This is what it is taking this space. Trim. Anyway, this is not storing anything. No, this space it took, but we are splitting by space. Okay, this one we take. Then we can Reshma again. Now, so space Reshman just okay. So now we can join by nothing. So string S18 equal to S17. S17 is not a string now, right?
Right, S17 is not a string.
Okay. So S17 will not have join. So string S18 equal to arrays dot toString toString of string class, something like that. Something, let's say toString of S17. So if I just print this one, S18. So space is space Reshma Joseph. So again, anyway, we have done the arrays. We have got the string. Okay. So if I put, I hope I'll get S19 equal to S18 dot join by nothing. So join will take delimiter and also have to join, right?
Correct.
So only delimiter will not work. If I put comma, it will work. Okay, wait. Change access static to using static. Huh? What does it mean? Okay, it works. Sys out S19 It just typed that only. Okay. It's easy only. We can go a little further. We can just run a loop and we can make sure there is something called white spaces of characters or strings. We can remove that. That's not an issue. So trim is removing the front and back also. But if you want to directly remove, there is a different methods. We'll use that in the future. Okay. Last but not least, I think last index of we have seen. Okay.
Capacities.
Capacity. Okay. I think capacity is from string buffer only. I think. Okay, string buffer will have capacity. Okay, let's see. So if I just put this one instead of delete, right? So capacity will be at the end. 7. So if I just want to append, again, append is coming for what, guys? Only for string buffer, string builder, but string doesn't have append. So let's say I'm appending with big boss. I don't know which season is this. Season 820, yeah? 20, yeah? Season 30, something like that, okay? And if I want to print it, if I want to see the length, it would have been increased, I feel, right? Let's see. S15 dot length. 17. Now, similarly, capacity also will work. Let's say if I run the capacity here, dot capacity. If you put dot capacity here, it's a string buffer class, okay? C. The capacity is big boss only. The capacity has increased. No, it is same only. Weird. Now, if you want to see what is capacity, return the current capacity number of characters that can be stored, including already written characters beyond the allocation. Okay. So if we don't have anything, does the capacity increase? Okay, let me get back to you that one. I thought capacity, if we increase, it should increase, but it doesn't feel like that. Okay. Oh, my system was about to shut down. Nice. If I want to just type as 15, what it is typing? So append should store something, right? It is storing something. Okay, let me get back to you on that one. Okay. So another thing we missed. I feel we missed index of something. Okay. There is a last but not least. There are two methods. We'll do the two methods and we can wind it up. I know we have gone little overboard, but just bear with me. We can easily complete it. Okay. Let's take string S20. Okay. S20 equal to QA circle. So now, so if we see there is, okay, let me put everything small, okay, QA circle. So if I just put dots this out, so S20 dot, there should be something called index of character. So we have to give a character. Now if I give Q character Q, so it should type 0. Again, indexing starts with 0. Now there is also C. Okay. If I give C, what will be the value?
2.
2, right? 2. But you can also see another C is there, right? So there comes another method called system.out.println S20 dot last index of C. What is the last index of C?
5.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, QA circle C is there. Okay. This one will always give the first occurrence. This one will give always the last occurrence. Okay, index of last index of. This should be 2 and 8. Sorry,
8.
understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is the other concept which we are seeing. Normal, how many occurrence of C is there? But if middle one, it will not understand. For that only we wrote this program, occurrence of the letter. Okay, I think we have almost done with everything. Okay, this week I'll add that Java class notes in the group and also in the notes section. And also I'll give you programs tomorrow morning or today night, what if possible. Okay, try to come Monday night. Try to come with that. I will only give hardly 5 programs. Try to solve it. Okay. Okay,
Okay.
guys.
Yes, sir.
Any
Yes,
doubts in
sir.
this? Okay, yeah. Doubt? Good? Are we good, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Chalo, then I'll stop the recording.